Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to discuss what is curve and its types. Okay, first curve. So any figure drawn without lifting a pencil may be called a curve. Here is the definition. Any figure drawn without lifting a pencil may be called a curve. Means if I draw like this, am I lifted anywhere the pencil? No. So any figure drawn without lifting a pencil may be called as a curve. Suppose if I draw like this. So here also I am not lifting the pen anyway. So it is also a curve. Next. Here. This is also a curve. Now next. This is also a curve. And if I draw like this is also a curve. Next. If I write like this is also a curve. So all these are curves. In mathematics, a curve is a continuous and smooth flowing line without any sharp turns. Okay. Now, and in mathematics, especially important point, straight line is also called as a curve. Because see, this is a straight line. Here also I am not lifting anywhere. So in mathematics, straight line is also a curve. So all these are curves, right? Now next, we are going to discuss now types of curves. See, total I am going to discuss here 4 types of curves: open curve, closed curve, simple curves and intersecting curves. Next, types of curves. Now in that first we are going to discuss about open curve. So what is open curve, children? See, this is called open curve. See, these all are open curve. So what is the definition of this open curve? A curve in which start and end point. See, this is a start point and this is the end point. This is a start point and this is the end point. A curve in which start and end points are not joined. Okay, so what is the definition? A curve in which start and end points are not joined. So it's very easy to find out which is open and which is closed, right? Now an open curve does not enclose any area within itself and it has 2 end points. If you see here, these 2 are the 2 end points. Coming to next, opposite to that is what? Closed curve. And you can write easily the definition of closed curve as a curve in which start and end points are joined. And if you see the figure, see this is a starting and end points are joined, right? So if I take like this, joined. Next, this is start and end points are joined. So these all are what? Closed curve, right? What is the definition here? A curve in which start and end points are joined, right? So open curve and closed curve. Next. So in closed curve, if you observe, it has no end points. So a closed curve has no end points and encloses an area. So this inside part is called what here? Area, and it is formed by joining the end points of an open curve together. What is simple curve? Next, third one is simple curve. Means a simple curve is one which does not cross itself. Okay. Now, what is the definition of this one? A simple curve is one which does not cross itself. Right? Means if I draw this figure, so is it crossing anywhere? No. And this is all simple curves. And a simple curve can be open and closed. Both. It can be open and it can be closed. And see, if this is a closed, right, and it is simple, it is does not crossing anywhere. So it is closed simple curve. And coming to this is what? Opened simple curve. So a simple curve means is one which does not cross itself. And a simple curve changes direction, children, but does not cross itself while changing direction. Once again, a simple curve changes direction but does not cross itself while changing direction. Now next one, if you see, intersecting curve. Or simply other name of this is non-simple curves, opposite of simple curves, okay? Non-simple curves. So what is the definition now? A simple curve is one which does not cross itself is a simple curve. And what is an intersecting curve? Which cross itself, opposite of this. So an intersecting curve is one which cross itself, okay? Definition. What is the definition you are going to write? An intersecting curve is one which cross itself. Which cross itself. Example, here if I draw figures, see, this is what intersecting curve, and this is also intersecting curve. Means this is crossing here, it is intersecting at one point. Here in this also it is intersecting. So it should cross itself, okay? Now if you see a curve that crosses its own path, a curve that crosses its own path is called a non-simple or intersecting curve. And if you see the first figure, what is this? It is intersecting open curve. Open curve, or you can say it is a non-simple open curve. And this is intersecting closed. Is it closed or not? Yes, closed curve. So here this is intersecting curve and simple curve.